This segment is on quail hunting, and we kind of called it old-fashioned because it's the way traditionally people have hunted quail. A lot of places in the southeast hunt like this, and basically the pine plantations, the big long leaves with the wire grass, are set up so that you can go in. Traditionally, you'd have a horse-drawn or a mule-drawn wagon, and the hunters would load up and their guns would be around. They would have dog boxes on them, and basically you would go out, the dogs are working the field, you have people on horseback who are monitoring the dogs, and when they point a covey of quail, they would ride back and get the carriage or the wagon itself, and you would progress towards the quail where the dogs are pointed, the covey. Then they would get out of the wagon and go and jump shoot the quail. The dogs would retrieve them, and you'd hunt all day like that. It was a very effective way of hunting quail, and it's just a really good opportunity to enjoy kind of an old-fashioned way. There's a lot of plantations in Florida and Georgia, and I know some other states as well that still hunt like this, and it's just a great opportunity. If you have a chance to hunt quail like this, you need to do it. It is a fantastic time.